The solar system, Sun and planets. Sun is the only star of our solar system having 8 planets, many asteroids and comets revolving around it in their fixed orbits. All planets revolve around the Sun in anti-clockwise rotation except Venus and Uranus. It is the gravity of the Sun which bounds all the planets, asteroids and comets in the solar system. Light from the Sun reaches us in approximately 8 minutes. That is why we say Sun is 8 light minutes away from us. Click on any one of the planets to know more about it.